Okay, in this video, we're going to answer the question how to clone a Python list so that it doesn't change after assignment. So basic assignment with equals just copies the memory location. And when you do that and you change the actual either list, both lists are changed because they point to the same thing. So in order to kind of demonstrate this, I'm going to use ASCII lowercase from the string library and choice from the random library, and I'm going to build a list of strings, which I've done in another video, where I choose one of the ASCII lowercase characters. I get 20 of them, and I'm going to make 200,000 strings so that we've got a big enough one that we can see if there's a performance difference later when we try these different techniques. So when I say not copy list is equal to big list and I append something to that not copy list, if I print out, I see they both actually have the same values in them. Okay, so there's three basic ways, always more, but who needs more? These are three simple ways. You can run into more and more esoteric things to do, but as a programmer, you just need to get things done. So we're going to focus on three, and there is dot copy, which has been in the library, in the language since Python 3.3. And so right here, we're going to do big list copy, and this is into our new big list. We're going to append a new string and look at the links, and sure enough, the big list is 200,001 from the previous one, and the new big list actually has one more. So it was a copy, not the same thing. Now you can also use the slice operator and just do colon, and it copies everything from the beginning to the end. Now you could copy substrings of that, but we're not. We're going to copy all of it. And same thing. It also copies without influencing the original. And then the last way is you can use the list constructor, and it will form a new list from the list that you pass it in. And again, append does not affect the original one. Now, one of the questions I always have is, does it matter? Does the technique really impact the speed, or should I care? And it was interesting. In this case, I created a copy method, a slice method, and a list method. I used my rather large 200,000 string list, so we'll find out if there's some kind of performance difference. And then I timed it with 500 copies in each one. And really, it just doesn't seem to matter. List, slightly slower, but not enough. I mean, over 500 times, and there was, barely a tenth of a second difference there. So I really don't think it matters here. I think it's just preference and which one you enjoy working with. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and then hit that like button down there. It helps me build an audience, and I'll see you in the next video.